नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज हम बात कर रहे हैं कुछ ऐसी चीज़ की जो हमारे सबके जीवन में बहुत कंसर्न रखता है। कंसर्न वो जो आज से लेके 20 साल बाद उसका नतीजा क्या आएगा। यस, हम बात कर रहे हैं अपने बच्चों के भविष्य की। हम बात करने जा रहे हैं उन छोटे से नादान बच्चों के भविष्य की जिन्होंने अभी स्कूल में पैर तक नहीं रखा है, पर वो कौन सी स्कूल में जाएगा, कौन सा बोर्ड चूज़ करेगा, उसके आने वाले दिनों में क्या इम्प्लीकेशंस हैं, ये सारी बात आज हम करने जा रहे हैं। क्योंकि इस देश में काफ़ी सारे बोर्ड हैं जिसके सामने हम वाकिफ़ होते हैं। CBSE, ICSE, IB, स्टेट बोर्ड, इस तरह से काफ़ी सारे बोर्ड्स हैं। पर मेरे बच्चे के लिए, मेरे परिवार के लिए, मेरे पॉकेट के लिए कौन सा बोर्ड ज़्यादा बेहतरीन रहता है जिससे वो बच्चा आगे जाके करियर अच्छा बना पाए, हम उसकी बात करेंगे। About boards, CBSE, yes, CBSE is a widely accepted board in the country. It has presence across 16,000 schools. The approach of this board is actually knowledge based, जहाँ पे rote learning को ज़्यादा benefit दिया जाता है। Wherein, suppose if I talk about CBSE approach, CBSE gives more emphasis on the learning patterns. You have to learn the subjects, and if you are planning for your child to be in the career of medical or engineering, CBSE should be a good option. Whereas CBSE also has benefits of evaluation pattern. It is scoring. You can score good marks when it comes to CBSE level. Compared to other boards, CBSE is comparatively less difficult. We come to the second board. Second board is ICSE board. ICSE has got 2,213 schools across India. ICSE is again a widely accepted board in the country with having less number of schools. थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव है, आपके पॉकेट पे भार थोड़ा सा बढ़ जाएगा, बट अगेन ICSE offers a variety of subjects which you can choose from. Again like CBSE, you can choose difficulty level. इसका compared to CBSE थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा है, wherein it gives more emphasis on knowledge based learning. Subjects को बहुत ही deep में break down किया जाता है, and it gets थोड़ा सा tough for a child to cope up, but again it's well accepted and going ahead very well. I'll talk to you about IB and IGCSE together, wherein because the reason is IB and IGCSE follow the international Berkeley pattern and IGCSE follows the Cambridge pattern. But what happens is when you choose, these are again costly boards and they have got selected number of schools, 141 schools across the country. So the child who chooses IB or IGCSE needs to think and research more. Needs to be more on the research front rather than mugging up or rather than learning definitions front. You have, of course, you have wide variety, a huge variety of subjects to learn from. You can choose subjects like just an odd combination of maybe physics along with accountancy. It gives you a liberty. But IGCSE is more of knowledge based rather than theory based. So IGCSE or IB has got selected number of schools, very few schools, but it has a career which goes beyond the country. It is widely accepted across the world. Talking about state boards in India, every state has got a different board which they operate as per their own requirement. They are into vernacular languages. These boards basically go more or less on the lines of NCERT, which is being followed by CBSE. But these boards are comparatively I can't say low, but comparatively more manageable as compared to CBSE or ICSE or IB or IGCSE. But state boards mostly follow these boards, and there might not be certain reserve seats for further education for the state boards also into certain states. We already discussed about 4 boards: IB, IGCSE, state board, CBSE, ICSE. There is one more concept flourishing these days known as homeschooling. We'll talk about homeschooling in the coming videos, but we would like to sum it up as India is known for its primary education is good. Choosing a right board is your decision. We can only talk about it. All you need to do is let's meet up, let's introspect ourselves and know which board is good for me and my child, because both the things matter. Number one, there are many things which come adjacent to it. Number one, how far is the school from your house? How is the facility? What is the safety and security of your child? And multiple different things. We'll talk about these things in the coming videos of ours. Do subscribe and like us.